When integrating data from source to target, you encounter bad records that needs to be rejected or reported for the errors. For example, these errors could be a null value in a date field, an empty field, or an invalid type code. Data integration tools then need to reject these records into an error or reject table to be used for error reporting. Traditionally, these error captures are designed inside your mappings, thus, you need to modify your designs each time there is a change. Reject management in Stambia is based on model-driven approach, with no major changes required in mapping. Completely metadata-driven, flexible in terms of custom requirements and allows severity-based treatment. Let's take a quick look at it. In this example, we have a mapping which moves data from a flat file to a MySQL table. Let's execute this mapping and check the data loaded. Here, we can see that the data has some bad records, for example, incorrect customer ID, null order date, invalid postal code. Now, in Stambia we create conditions on the target metadata. Simply create a new condition and fill in the SQL condition, user message, description, and the severity of this error. Back in your mapping, just click on the green icon to enable rejects. You will see that the reject template now appears on the target, as well the reject condition at the bottom. Similarly, create other conditions as well to have reject management for postal code and order date. These conditions can now be enabled or disabled from inside the mapping with a quick action, which makes it easier to manage. When executed, the records are now completely ignored from loading into the target and are instead rejected. You can consult the reject table from the mapping to take a look at how these rejected records are populated. From the reject template, you can change the behavior. For example, you can still allow erroneous records to be loaded to target, as well as the reject table for error reporting. The rejects from a previous execution can also be recycled by enabling a template parameter. As well, null handling rejections can be enabled directly by setting column properties. Apart from user conditions, any database constraints, like primary key, foreign key etc. are by default included in the reject management, which if not required, can be disabled. To know more on this topic, contact us at stambia.com.